Here come the openers. Pace bowler into the tank. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way.
Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a 6. He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Strokes it into the gap for a single.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
Edge and it's gone for 4.
Pacer introduced from the other end.
There is a fielder at cover. The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Wide ball signaled by the umpire. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming.
Edged and taken.
That is huge beat. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
Oh, that's close. It's a huge peel. That is a very good shout, and they're going to review it.
Checking for a no ball. Fair delivery.
Yeah, definite spike. Definite mark on the bat.
Has to walk back to the pavilion. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Great shot! He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots.
What is he going to do next? That's 6. Picked up the net very early. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. Oh, shot, but only a single.
They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike. Outside the inner circle.
Wide ball signaled by the umpire. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
That is an excellent catch. He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion. Point in place.
Wide ball signaled by the umpire.
He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series.
No ball called.
It will be interesting to see where the bowler will test the batsman with the short one.
Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. And he helps himself to a 6. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. Straight up in the air, and that's a 6. Can you do it again?
Plays and misses.
from fast bowler into the deck now. Expect some serious chin music.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery. There is a fielder at cover. Oh, that must have really hurt. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
White ball signaled by the umpire. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming.
Beautifully bowled and well left.
They will definitely have a score in their mind.
Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end.
That is six. That is just magnificent batting. He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for six.
Change in the bowling, pacer being brought back.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Unable to break free, missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Trying to up the run rate there, a very loose shot in the end. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That is a very quick signal taken. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. White ball signaled by the umpire.
There is a fielder at cover.
He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six. Last ball of the innings coming up.
is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. The first innings comes to a close. The target is set and the openers rush to the pavilion to get batted up for the chase.